Okay, so today we are going to review the French animals. So please listen and repeat after me and try to remember the animals. L'éléphant, l'éléphant. Le chat, le chat. Le tigre, le tigre. Le lion, le lion. La fille. Now, la fille is the girl, remember, not the cat. Le garçon, le garçon. Le flamand, le flamand. La grenouille. So it's la, and then you say grand, and then it sounds like oui. Oui, la grenouille. Le cochon, le cochon. La girafe, la girafe. La vache, la vache. Le chien, le chien. Now see if you can say them. I'm going to give you like 3 seconds for each one. If you can't, nobody will know. 3, 2, 1. La grenouille. 3, 2, 1. Le tigre. 3, 2, 1. Le lion. 3, 2, 1. Le garçon. 3, 2, 1. Le chat. 3, 2, 1. L'éléphant. 3, 2, 1. Le cochon. 3, 2, 1. Le chien. 3, 2, 1. La fille. 3, 2, 1. La girafe. 3, 2, 1. Le flamand. 3, 2, 1. La vache. Okay, that's the end of today's lesson from me. Now go on to the videos and other activities that you'll find below.